During intercourse, the male member is inserted into the female and moved backwards and forwards until evacuation occurs. If the male is skilled and experienced, this can take as little as 15 seconds before the female is even properly aware of what's going on. Such rapid coitus has advantages for both the sexes. The male is able to return to the front of the pub, where he can carry on talking to his friends about the pressing matters of the day, such as Brexit or tits. The female, on the other hand, after 9 months, is able to appear on highbrow television programmes such as I Didn't Know I Was Pregnant or The Jeremy Kyle Show. Hello everybody, just preparing the new sex education video for the local private girls' school. It's that time of year when I return to take over at the Mantic Muddlers. And this year, unfortunately, because of the impending collapse of your entire economy, we've had to make a few budgetary cuts. Who are you?
Oh, hello. They call me Edwina. I'm the poor man's fair maiden. You know that other horrible bit of kit that comes in? Well, I'm his sister.
Really? How do I know that's true? Things really have taken a turn for the worse. Never mind, you're here now, so why don't we carry on? Instead of our usual extravaganza, we will be showing you the storyboard. Much cheaper that way. Initially, the Mantic Muddlers, for some spurious reason, are lost in a forest. The fiddle player is lured away by myself, cleverly disguised as a fair maiden. The fiddle player is abducted and left for dead in a field. I then use the dresses in order to lure in the other 2 Mantic Muddlers. They didn't take a lot of persuading, to be honest. But I still made the effort and went and caught them with a net. What's that doing in there? That's from earlier. Turn it over. The fiddle player's remains are left in a vault of somebody else that we discovered. Thank you very much, my dear. Beautifully done.
Oh, you're welcome, my sweetheart.
Wasn't expecting that. Right then. Time for a song, I think.
You don't have to be beautiful to turn me on. I just need your body parts, baby, from dusk till dawn. You don't need experience to turn me out. Yeah, just leave it all up to me. I'm gonna turn your body inside out. You don't have to be rich to be my girl, 'cause money don't talk in the underworld. Ain't no particular way I'm gonna murder you in. I just want your extra time and your skin. And your bones will be useful too. You gotta talk real dirty, baby, if you wanna impress me. I like the foul-mouthed, half-wit girls like the ones that are made in Chelsea. I want to be your nightmare, baby. You will be mine. You just leave it all up to me. You ain't gonna have a good time. You don't have to be rich to be my girl, 'cause money don't talk in the underworld. Ain't no particular way I'm gonna murder you in. I just want your extra time and your skin. Maybe your eyes as well. I think we're gonna dance. shoe size. I can use your feet as well. You know that you're gonna die nasty. Don't give me attitude. You just leave it all up to me. Your lungs gonna be in my stew. You don't have to be rich to be my girl, 'cause money don't talk in the underworld. Ain't no particular way I'm gonna murder you in. I just want your extra time and your skin. Don't worry about the eyebrows though. Get stuck in the old throat. You know what I mean?
She stood looking at the flowers in his eyes. She nearly turned them into mulch that night. But the man in the moon, he sent a shiver down her spine. He said the dark days have been buried for some time. She was seduced by the moon's careless heart. She devoured vast quantities of bark. Oh, and those roots grew up, and they formed a chain around her feet, where she's a slave to the